Boom! Welcome, ladies and gents. What's going on today? I just clean up a little bit and just get in that little shelf out there because I already forget what I have in there. Anyway, some time ago, one of my machine says no. And by the way, I got Lucky 7 mud mowers at the screen. He's just playing with his shop. And yeah, let's go on the topic, back to the topic. One of the machine just say no, and actually I just drop it under there, and that was laying there for good few months. I just get another machine, and yeah, what was the problem with that one? It does discharge battery all the time. So this battery is totally empty, as you can see. If I get another one, just from the other machine, it does work, though this light didn't go out. It shine for good 15 minutes or so, and sometimes it make weird noise, like something with the gears going on, as I'm trying to show. Of course, it's not gonna appear. It still have the strength and so on, but sometimes it's after I release the button, it's like click, 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 clicking, or maybe something with the brake as you release the button. Yeah, now it's not gonna appear, but anyway, light didn't gonna go down, and it's totally dry out the battery. And nothing happened. And as I take this battery into the charger, what I just have hanging right here, boom, no reaction at all, nothing. As I get the second battery, what we used, so let's mark this one so we not mix them out. Let's just put a piece of tape on it, and yes, we put the good one. Boom, light comes out right away. Put the bad one, nothing at all. So, how to reveal that battery? Good one, bad one. To get that battery to work again, all what we need to do, it is just set them aside, just like so. Good one, bad one. And we need 2 pieces of wire. That will do. Yeah, we got cool. Let's grab the black one and the red one. Why not? Now we need to get rid of the outer shell. Boom. Boom, just like so. And the left one is B negative. Let's connect them both together. Let's do the same. And another one be positive. Let's put them right here. I hear tiny little spark, and we're gonna wait a little bit, just a few minutes, I guess, something like that. And let's hope that does the job, because probably the reason why the bad one don't want to charge it is it need to have some juices inside to give the signal to the charger to recognize it. There is something inside to charge. So yeah, how much we gonna wait? I don't know, 1 or 2 minutes. Yeah, I stop. No, I'm not gonna stop. I just gonna keep that running. So okay, 30 more seconds. And actually I did forget about this machine. I dropped it out there. I just cleaning up those shelves, and yeah, just find it out. And I look at the machine, yeah, find out what was wrong with it. I also forget this is defected, but yeah, now I know it's defected one. I got to hang it on the wall as a decoration, I guess, or just scrap it out. Or maybe I find another one day, so yeah, I can repair it, maybe, who knows. But I definitely want to get back the battery, because the batteries are good to have, at least one battery for each machine. Anyway, I guess that 30 seconds just passed, so let's see what's happened. Boom, let's remove that, let's remove that. Good one, bad one. Let's go to the charger and see what it says. Out of the way. Boom, lights comes out, battery charging, battery healed. Yay! That was quick fix of the broken battery for DeWALT. And yep, I'm gonna give it like, I don't know, good few minutes. Right now we got 1904. Let me just cut in here. I'm gonna come back in about 1910, and yeah, we will see if this battery moved the machine. So I guess it will. So see you in 5 minutes. Okay, I'm trying to get that noises, and I think I get it. Oh, I'm not. There we go. I don't know what's wrong, probably something with the gears. But anyway, right now we got 1913. So let's get the broken battery, what was in here, just for, I don't know, a few minutes. And as you see, lights still going on. And actually, as I'm trying to get those sound, I just leave it here for a while, and certainly the light just start. Probably that's why the battery get totally dry out. Let's put the bad battery on it. Boom! It's worked. Let's use another machine. Perfectly fine battery, what don't even get any sign of life. So I saved the battery. Of course, machine, like I said, it's gonna get scrapped or end up at my wall as a decoration. And yeah, I just saved the money for buying another batteries, because I like to use those small one as I working at the shops. The machine then it's much lighter than with the big 4 ampere hours battery. So ladies and gents, that was quick fix of how to repair DeWALT batteries, as they don't want to charge. So hope you like it, hope you enjoy it, and I guess see you all at the next one. Bye for now.